Hi, I'm Brian, Service Advisor at Graham Auto Repair. Today we have partnered with O'Reilly Auto Parts in Graham to say thank you to the first responders at the fire stations in our area. O'Reilly's has donated the oil filters, and we are donating the oil and labor costs for the personal vehicles of all 93 firefighters from all 5 fire stations that serve our area. This is our way of saying thank you for everything that they are doing in our community to keep us safe. O'Reilly's and Graham Auto Repairs, we just wanted to say thank you for everything you guys do. We appreciate you guys keeping us safe and everything like that. So there's one for each firefighter for all 5 stations.
Great, I appreciate it.
For one personal vehicle.
That's awesome, thank you.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Thank you guys.